Dito, lalagyan mo dito. Pero not above the doon po sa may most probably doon po sa may injured part niya. Okay. So halimbawa yan, nagawa mo na ito, isa, dalawa, tatlo, i-elevate mo yan. Then, ilan po daw yung inches? 6 to 12, and then abduct. And then after abduct, ay mali pala sa tama ba? Abduct. And huwag ka pong kalilimutan, PMS. Pulse motor sensory with pulse. Sir, pakiginaw. Can you feel this? Yes, sir. Available time, less than 2 seconds. Ano po ang yung division? Load and go. Perform.
Ilan?